Hello, people. I believe I've got some good news for the Gaelic language and its students, and also myself, in that I now teach Irish Gaelic with a method I've developed myself, whereby from the very first session, which lasts an hour, a student who has no knowledge of Gaelic, no experience of it, will be understanding Irish Gaelic and speaking it well, with all its correct sounds, phonemes, and uses, in a fairly natural conversational style. This is a system I've developed, partly based on something similar to muscle memory, and also following the teachings and advice of Stephen Krashen and also Steve Kaufman with regard to comprehensible input, which I've combined with comprehensible output. So I think I've got I know I've got a pretty good system going there, whereby the student learns fast, all the while building a quite solid language core, which is quite important for correct language learning. It makes it easier if you've got a separate core for each language. In this case, it's quite a solid core. Almost everything, at least 90% and often 100% of these sessions are completely in Irish Gaelic, which is also helpful to form that language core. It's quite simple, straightforward, nothing fancy about it, but it's efficient, which is the main thing. So anyone who would like to learn Irish Gaelic from whichever starting point, feel free to get in contact with me and we'll see what we can do for you. Okay, that's all for now. Have a great day and talk to you soon. Bye bye.